Everyone eats rice every single day. It sits quietly on your plate, looking simple, ordinary, almost invisible. But what if I told you this small grain controls global food systems, and feeding more than half the world depends on getting it exactly right? Welcome back to Machine's Visit. Here's something that might shock you. In the United States alone, farmers produce nearly 9.97 million tons of rice every year. That's not just farming. That's a massive, high-pressure operation where one mistake, one storm, or one delay can wipe out entire fields. And yet, most people never see what really happened behind the scenes. In today's video, you're about to step into a world hidden beneath calm water surfaces. From flooded rice paddies stretching across Arkansas to high-tech processing systems designed to move grain faster than ever before. Because what looks peaceful is actually a race against time, weather, and precision. Rice isn't just food, it's survival. And its journey is far more intense than you think. Around the world, rice exists in multiple forms: long grain, medium grain, and short grain. Long grain varieties like jasmine and basmati stay light and fluffy when cooked, while shorter grains become soft and sticky, perfect for dishes like sushi or risotto. But beyond taste and texture, rice hides another layer of complexity. Its appearance changes depending on how it's processed: white, brown, red, even black, each telling a different story of how much of the grain remains intact. But growing rice, that's where things become demanding. Unlike most crops, rice cannot survive without constant water. It thrives in warm, humid climates where temperatures range between 70 to 100 degrees Fahrenheit and requires carefully controlled flooded fields known as paddies. Too little water, the crop fails. Too much imbalance, yields drop. Everything must be controlled. In the United States, major rice production takes place in Arkansas, California, Louisiana, Mississippi, Missouri, and Texas, regions where conditions are just right. But even in these ideal locations, success is never guaranteed, because timing is everything. Gone are the days when farmers harvested rice by hand, spending endless hours cutting stalks under the sun. Today, the entire process is transformed into something almost unrecognizable. Modern rice farming relies on combine harvesters, massive, powerful machines capable of doing in minutes what once took days. But these machines don't just cut crops. They perform an entire sequence of operations in one continuous motion. At the front, the header slices through dense rice stalks, pulling them into machine. Inside, the threshing drum begins its work, separating the grains from the stalks with controlled force, ensuring maximum yield without damaging the grain. And this is where precision becomes critical, because too much force and the grains break. Too little and valuable rice is lost. After separation, the grains move through a complex cleaning system of sieves and air filters, removing husks, debris, and impurities. What remains is clean, high-quality rice, ready for the next stage. The grain is then stored temporarily inside a tank before being unloaded into transport vehicles, allowing the entire harvesting process to continue without interruption. It's fast, it's continuous, and it's relentless. One of the most shocking facts? These combined harvesters can increase efficiency up to 50 times compared to manual harvesting. That's not just improvement, it's transformation. It reduces labor, saves time, and most importantly, prevents loss. Because when it comes to rice, delays aren't just costly, they're dangerous to the entire yield. And in a system where millions of tons are on the line, every second matters. And this is exactly what makes the difference between success and total loss. Because harvesting rice quickly and efficiently isn't just about speed. It's about survival in a system where demand never slows down. The ability to move massive quantities of rice from fields to processing plants ensures that both local and global markets are constantly supplied. But here's the twist. Modern rice farming isn't just fast. It's becoming smarter than ever before. Today's combine harvesters are no longer just machines. They're intelligent systems. Equipped with GPS tracking, they map entire fields with precision, guiding farmers through optimized harvesting paths that reduce waste and maximize output. Every movement is calculated. Every pass is efficient. Adjustable cutting heights and grain loss sensors ensure that not a single valuable grain is wasted. Because in this world, even the smallest loss adds up to massive consequences. But efficiency alone isn't enough anymore. Sustainability has become the next battlefield. These advanced machines don't just harvest. They help farmers manage water, soil, and land more effectively. With automated moisture detection systems, farmers can decide the exact moment of harvest, preventing spoilage and preserving crop quality. It's not guesswork anymore. It's data-driven precision. And as global food demand continues to rise, this level of control becomes critical. Because feeding millions isn't optional. It's necessary. But the journey of rice doesn't end in the field. In fact, that's where another intense process begins. Once harvested, rice is rushed to processing facilities, where every second still matters. Freshly harvested rice isn't ready for consumption. It contains moisture, impurities, and protective husks that must be removed. The first stage is cleaning and drying. Large industrial dryers reduce moisture levels quickly. Because if this step is delayed, the rice can spoil, develop mold, and become completely unusable. It's a fragile stage where timing is everything. After drying, the rice moves into hulling, where the tough outer husk is stripped away, revealing brown rice underneath. But for most consumers, that's not the final product. The process continues with milling, where the bran layer is polished off to produce the soft white rice people recognize. But here's the controversy. While milling improves texture and appearance, it also removes nutrients. That's why some producers enrich the rice again, adding back essential vitamins and minerals. It's a balance between preference and nutrition. Then comes one of the most advanced steps, sorting and grading. High-tech machines equipped with lasers and sensors scan every single grain, removing broken, discolored, or defective pieces. Only the highest quality rice moves forward. This level of precision ensures uniformity and consistency in every package. Finally, the rice is packed and stored in temperature-controlled environments before being distributed to markets worldwide. Some batches are processed even further. Turned into rice flour, rice bran oil, or instant rice products, expanding its use beyond traditional cooking. But what most people don't realize is that this entire journey actually begins long before harvesting. Because before a single grain appears, farmers must prepare the land with absolute precision. Fields are plowed, leveled, and engineered to hold water perfectly. Irrigation and drainage systems are carefully designed to control every drop. Farmers choose between two main planting methods, dry seeding or water seeding, each with its own advantages and risks. Dry seeding allows better weed control and stronger plants, while water seeding naturally suppresses weeds but demands exact water management. Once planted, the real challenge begins. Protecting the crop, fertilization, and pest control become constant tasks. Farmers balance organic and synthetic inputs while using integrated pest management to defend against threats without damaging the environment. Throughout the growing season, water levels are monitored continuously, ensuring the plants receive just the right amount, not too much, not too little. Because even a slight imbalance can affect the final yield. And when you look at the bigger picture, one thing becomes clear. Producing nearly 9.97 million tons of rice every year is not just farming. It's a highly coordinated system of technology, precision, and relentless effort. From flooded fields to high-tech factories, every step is controlled, calculated, and optimized. And behind every grain of rice, there's a story of pressure, innovation, and survival. So the next time you see rice on your plate, you might just realize it's not as simple as it looks. And if this journey surprised you, don't forget to subscribe, and stay tuned, because there's always more happening behind the scenes than you think.